Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2025 speaking topics. So let's look at the topic. Describe a difficult decision that you made and had a good result. You should say what the decision was, when you made that decision, why it was difficult to make, and explain how you felt about the good result. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Decisions are crucial in shaping our lives as they help in achieving goals, contribute to progress, as well as impact our overall well-being. And today, I would like to speak about my decision of moving to Toronto, Canada. So, impact means effect. So, now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. Moreover, I took this decision in search of better lifestyle, education, and employment opportunities. Soon after the completion of my graduation, I decided to move abroad to pursue my master's in the field of biochemistry and work as a research assistant in a reputed laboratory. So, pursue means to achieve, reputed means well known. The call of leaving my country was quite tough for me as I had to stay away from my friends and family, manage both study and work, as well as handle my finances and expenses independently, all of which seemed to be quite overwhelming. So, overwhelming means something that's too much to handle. Additionally, I was also unaware of Western food, culture, and tradition, which all added to the graveness of the situation. So, unaware means did not know. Graveness means seriousness. Finally, I was quite pleased with my decision as I was able to secure a lucrative position in my desired field. To secure means to get, lucrative means high paying. Also, I earned a handsome salary as compared to India and gained recognition amongst my peers. So, handsome means a large amount. Peers means friends. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.